All right. Well, you know, I mean, got this box, got these ones, right? This one was really funny. I mean, I stopped before even opening these because freaking, you know, well, this was really funny, right? I open up this box. Big box, right? And then I unroll this like this. And it's a little teeny thing of glass fuses. You know, these things, little glass fuses. Like, okay, I'd expect it to come in one of these. I've gotten them in these before, freaking not needing really, but whatever. You know, these things kind of piss me off because they're made out of plastic and freaking you're like, well, I can't exactly recycle it, so... You know, because freaking last time I got this freaking in one of those, the box was shattered and pieces were missing. Freaking... Yeah. I mean... Boxes in bags in or things that it's a little weird sometimes, right? I don't know.